Today we are prepping for a neuter. This dog is under anesthesia. At this time we are doing a local testicular block to numb his testicles so he doesn't feel anything under anesthesia and wake up. Then we shave all of his little hairs away and make sure that it is as sterile as we can make it. Then we vacuum to get all the little tiny hairs, and then we move him into surgery and do our sterile prep with chlorhexidine scrub and rubbing alcohol. And then lastly we spritz it with betadine to put that extra step of disinfectant, and then he looks great after surgery.